Here's how to use phone as webcam on TikTok Live Studio. This method works with both iPhone and Android devices. First, open a web browser on your computer and search for DroidCam. From the results, open the official DroidCam website. Scroll down until you find the option to install DroidCam on your computer. Select it, choose Windows Setup, and this will take you here. Then click the download file. Once the download is complete, open your downloads folder and launch the DroidCam installer. Follow the instructions shown on screen to complete the installation. When everything is installed, click Finish. Now open the Start menu, search for DroidCam, and launch the application. Next, we need to set up DroidCam on your phone. Take your iPhone or Android device and open the App Store or the appropriate App Store. Search for DroidCam, then download the official DroidCam webcam application. After the installation finishes, open the app and select Continue. If you're asked for permission, press OK and allow the requested permissions. You may also see a Wi-Fi permission prompt. Select Allow here as well. The next step is very important. Make sure your phone and computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Once both devices are connected to the same network, return to DroidCam on your computer and select Click to add a device. As long as DroidCam is open on your phone, your device should appear in the available list. Select your phone and then click Add Selected Device. After adding the device, your phone's camera should now be available through DroidCam. Now we can connect it to TikTok Live Studio. Open TikTok Live Studio and click the Add Source option. Select camera from this menu, then click Add. Next, open the drop-down menu beside camera and find the DroidCam video option. Select it as your camera source. Keep in mind that this camera option is only available after you've gone live on TikTok at least 3 times previously, with each live session lasting a minimum of 25 minutes. Once you've selected DroidCam, click Add Source at the bottom of the window. Your phone should now be available as the webcam inside TikTok Live Studio, allowing you to use its camera for your live streams. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Thanks.